In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Soundboard on Discord. If you've ever wanted to drop a quick drum roll, a funny clip, or a celebratory sound into your calls, this will show you exactly how to do it, clearly and confidently. To start, make sure you join a call. This can be a server voice channel or a group call. What matters is that you're actively connected to voice. Soundboard effects only work inside a live call, so you won't see or hear anything from it in text channels. If you're testing things out for the first time, it's a good idea to hop into a casual channel where you won't interrupt anything important. Once you're in a call, look toward the bottom left of your Discord window. You'll see a small horn icon. This is the Soundboard button. It usually sits near your voice controls, like mute and deafen. Click the horn icon to open the Soundboard panel. The layout may look slightly different depending on your device or theme, but the icon and its function are the same. When the Soundboard opens, you'll see a list of sounds you can use. These are shown as tiles or buttons with names, and sometimes short previews. Take a moment to glance through what's available so you know what each sound does and how long it plays. Short punchy clips work best and keep the conversation flowing smoothly. To play a sound, simply click on it. As soon as you do, the clip will play for you and everyone else in the call. Keep in mind that these effects are heard by the whole group, so use them thoughtfully. Time them between sentences, avoid spamming, and match the tone of the call. If something doesn't play, it could be due to server settings or permissions, so don't worry if you don't see immediate results. Discord includes some default sounds right out of the box, which is perfect for quick reactions. If you want something more personal, click Add Sound to import your own. You'll be guided to choose an audio file from your device. Aim for short clips that are easy to recognize, and note that some servers limit who can add custom sounds. If you don't see the option, you may need permission from a server admin, and that's all there is to it. Join a call, open the horn icon, pick a sound, and share the moment with everyone. With a little timing and etiquette, the Soundboard can make your Discord calls more engaging and a lot more fun.